Are slow file transfers disrupting your operations? Makino, a global leader in manufacturing, faced this exact challenge. Their data synchronization between Japan and the US took 6 to 7 hours daily, impacting productivity. Let's explore how Aryaka helped them achieve a 20x improvement in speed. Makino is a global leader in metal cutting and manufacturing, with operations spanning Europe, North America, and Asia. As part of their digital transformation, they needed a high-performing network to support massive data transfers between their RAN centers and tech hubs worldwide. Makino's legacy MPLS network couldn't keep up with their needs. Synchronizing large files between Tokyo and their tech center in Ohio took 6 to 7 hours daily, often running into work hours and delaying productivity. Additionally, onboarding new sites was slow and inefficient, delaying business expansion. Aryaka's SD-WAN solution provided Makino with a reliable and high-speed global network. File synchronization times dropped from 6 hours to just 22 minutes. The solution also ensured stable connectivity across regions and enabled rapid deployment of new sites in just days. Makino tested Aryaka's solution and saw immediate results. File synchronization that previously took hours was completed in just minutes. This seamless data flow between Tokyo and Ohio allowed Makino to respond faster to business demands, improving operational efficiency and giving them a competitive edge. The results were transformative. With Aryaka, Makino reduced file transfer times by over 95%, enabling teams to work more efficiently. New sites were brought online in days instead of months, accelerating business expansion. Additionally, Makino now has a cloud-ready infrastructure to support their future strategy of moving 90% of applications to the cloud. This case study highlights 3 key lessons. First, faster networks significantly improve operational efficiency by reducing delays. Second, rapid site deployment enables businesses to scale quickly without bottlenecks. Finally, having a cloud-ready infrastructure ensures long-term scalability for future growth. Are you ready to overcome network challenges like Makino did? Explore Aryaka's SD-WAN solutions today and take the first step toward transforming your business operations.